Thank you for your interest in this property. If this property doesn't interest you, we can show you any property listed with any company. This pristine, one-owner home is privately situated among an acre forest of trees on a cul-de-sac. Meticulous attention to detail both inside and out will have you appreciating the finer things in life. Open floor plan, granite countertops and kitchen, stainless steel appliances, double oven, walnut floors, master suite with private, full master bathroom and walk-in closet, full laundry upstairs on same floor as all 4 bedrooms, bonus room above garage with wet bar and cherry cabinets, built-in entertainment center and living room with 5.1 surround sound system, gas fireplace and lower-level family room, on-demand water heater, 2-year-old furnace, waterproof basement, screen front porch, leaf gutter system, cedar siding stained in 2021, and an attached 3-stall garage with 1,200 insulated and heated square feet. You must see this home to believe it.